Good morning, dear learners. Today I will show you the VLOOKUP functions, that how the VLOOKUP functions are applicable in Excel by giving some great and flexible example. For that reason, first we have to go to the Excel. After opening the Excel, I'm just creating a one example by different sheets that you are very much aware that how to apply the VLOOKUPs. I will just show you the data, and according to that data how I am using the VLOOKUP function. So that all things today I will show you with this example. So let's see, there is a data given here which is called top product code, quantity and prices. Okay, so now if there is another column in tables format I will be making, that is a searching product and shoes, and there is a price. Okay, now if I want to know what is the price of the shoes, how could I know? The first thing that I could know by just searching the things from here, that where is a shoe, yes, here is a shoe, and the price of the shoe is 28. Price is 1200. Okay, but if I am using VLOOKUP, it is very much easier to find the price of your product. Here is a data is very low, that means a very low quantity of data. So, but if the quantity of data is very much high, then how would you proceed? For that type of situation, you have to use VLOOKUP. V means vertical lookup. Vertical lookup helps you to search your data vertically. So now we have to write the functions or formula equal to VLOOKUP, parenthesis open, the first criteria, that is one lookup value. That means which value you want to look up. You want to look up shoes, very good, comma, then it's a table array, from which table array you want to find your price. The table is here, you have to just select the whole table, comma, then it will be asking you to put colon index. That means when you create your table, it will be the first column will be known as top product, second column will be known as product code, third column will be known as quantity, and fourth is price. So price is your fourth column, so that means you have to put 4, then again please your comma, and then it asks you false or true, which one you want. You want false. False is used for exact match, that means you want exact result, that's why you have to use false. Or instead of false you can write 0. If you want 1, that will be true. So today or here we want false, so after writing false just close the parenthesis bracket, and now wait a minute, I think some problem is there. Again it's a lookup value, comma, table array, yes, table array, comma, the name of the table is product, that's why it will show you product. Okay, very good, colon index is 4, comma, then lookup, range lookup, giving 0, just pressing the enter. Now it will show you the 1012 and the price. Just see, match, exact match. Okay, correct. Now if you want to write laptop, just see, so if you want to know the price of the laptop, simply easy, just you have to copy the formula and paste here, 32,000. Yes, 32,000 is match. This is called VLOOKUP, the basic first applications of VLOOKUP. In our next video we have to show you how the VLOOKUP can be applicable in data validation, in naming range, and some other techniques. Thank you very much.